Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to create your API key for YouTube. Since Google owns YouTube, the best thing to do first is to have your Google account already logged in at the beginning. So you can see that I'm already logged in here. And then you want to go to console.cloud.google.com. And you're actually going to be met with something about accepting user agreement window here. You can just accept that. Now normally this is going to say new project, but it's still a drop down sort of thing. So if we click this, if you click a new project, this same window is going to open, but I already have a project, so that's why it's saying YouTube videos. But clicking new project here, you want to, if you don't have a project yet, you want to go to new project and you can create a new one. Let's say YouTube. What was the other one? Let's just say YouTube. And we're going to create that project. And from here, it is creating. Once it is created, you are going to want to select project from here. Now, once you have selected the project, what you want to do is open up the navigation. So you can see the project now is YouTube, whereas before it was YouTube video. So you want to make sure you click the right project. And then go to the navigation menu here, go to API and services, go to library. And from here, you want to scroll down and find YouTube Data API v3 and click that. So from here, you are going to want to enable this API. So let's wait for that a little bit. And now that it is enabled, you're going to want to go to credentials, create credentials, and API key. Once you do that, an API key is going to be created for you. And voila, that is your API key. So you can copy this and plug this into your project. Or if you want to go back to here and you can click show key and it will take you to the same thing. So that's how you get the API key for YouTube. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.